Today in this interview, we are going to talk with Krushika Taperia, who has done her master's in data science from USA. She also has a data science intern experience here. So let's welcome her and learn about her data science journey. So hi Krushika, how are you?
Hi, Khushbu. Thank you so much for the introduction. And thank you for making me a part of this.
I'm very glad that you could be a part of the summit as well. Okay, Krushika. So let's start this by you talking about the field of data science from your experience and what are its real world applications.
So, back there, when I finished my graduation in India in computer science, so data science was a very buzzword back there in India. So, everybody was like, okay, data science, AI, machine learning. So, it was very, everybody were very startled with what data science was. But after reading more about it and after working on it over there in India, so that's where I came to know, okay, what machine learning is, how they are actually turning so great. So, from my experience, what I've understood that previously everybody had data, everybody lots and lots of data, they were storing it. But right now, why data science getting popular? Because right now, computer science, this data engineering, or you can say how people are processing the data has become much faster. Right now, we have big data systems which can scale large and large amounts of data. Earlier, we didn't have that. The processing power, the computation power was not so great. Now we have that, so it is possible to run these statistical algorithms, which now they call it as machine learning on these huge amounts of data.
Okay.
So all of this is possible right now, so it's getting very famous. And actually, data science is nothing but having and getting lots of insights, like lots and lots of insights from your data. It's just a creative way to get information from your data and use it for your business value.
Okay.
So that's an abstract version of what data science is.
Okay, all right. So you mentioned about machine learning as well, right? So how similar are data science? Like what is the relation between data science and machine learning?
Okay, so data science is an interdisciplinary program where it's a part of computer science, it's a part of mathematics, statistics, and it's a part of business as well. So you have to learn all of these three core areas in order to have the crunch of data science. So
Okay.
in let's say machine learning is nothing but statistical part of it. So
Okay.
machine learning falls into the mathematics domain of data science, where all of these machine learning algorithms are nothing but nice statistical algorithms like linear regression and lots of algorithms like that, which were actually introduced back in the 1900s and some in 1800s as well. So
Okay.
these algorithms we had previously, it's just that we didn't have the processing power.
Okay. So
Right
that's
now
why
we
we're
have that.
implementing them right now.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So could you give a real world example like of how this could be used in real world life?
I would say that from your Google